Got hiccups that just won't quit? Try this twist. Fill a tall glass with water, but instead of drinking from the near edge, bend your head down and sip from the opposite side, because that unusual angle makes your muscles contract differently and may interrupt the diaphragm spasms, causing each hic. One doctor says it worked for everyone he tried it on, even a man who'd hiccuped for a week, although science says no cure is guaranteed. So save this trick for next time. Follow Study with Miss Laiba for more learning tips.